Okay, good morning, guys. Hope you are doing very well today. Uh, I'm perfectly fine today. Here in the UK, there is getting a little bit colder than usual, especially for summer. But yeah, it is what it is. We can have the sunshine every day. So anyway, we're getting back into the backtesting session, the sixth in a row. So yesterday we took some trades here. You see, we took some trades up here. We let the market come down. We didn't force any trades on the way down because I mean, okay, you can possibly take some failed breakdowns here. There would be some, but the R maybe would be like very low, so it wouldn't worth risking it. So we just waited for 1 or 2 days for the market to come down and make a base, and we took now a trade right at the breakout again when it starts coming up, expecting that it would do like a full circle and would test again the highs. So we took a trade here, we took some profits, and now we are running on the 10% runner, uh, which is a little bit higher, you can see. It's just below this inflection point here. On the way up, if we find another fair breakdown, we're going to take it, of course. Uh, so for the moment, we'll just continue and see where we left off, and we'll see if we have any fair breakdowns on the way up. The last one, if you see here, was I didn't take this trade. That here, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see. So yeah, so basically here was an important low. We did a fair breakdown here and we did the retest. That would be a nice entry, but because we were still at the base, you can see here, we were still at the base, it would be quite dangerous in case the market was to continue lower. But that would be a great entry. And it would be valid as well, to be honest. So I decided to wait a bit. And then I decided to take this trade, which is small consolidation here on the upper. Failed breakdown, price recovered, and then I took the long. Took price here 90%, and I leave a runner. So just waiting now. I'm gonna roll it and see if we're gonna visit any of the lows here, and possibly to have a secondary entry again. Okay, let's see. Okay, price continues. Nothing to do here, by the way. We haven't visited any lows. Uh, we're about to get, you see, we're about to get the runner in. Let's see. Date changed. We may see a pullback here. The runner is still up. Okay, so just gonna delete that rectangle out with the previous DVA. I'm just gonna put it here. Mm, okay, and now we can continue. Okay, uh, yeah, sorry for that. There was connection failure. Yeah, we should be back and running now. Okay. Anyway, I was telling like there is a lows here, so that one is valid. I'm gonna draw one more line on the overnight lows. Quite bad here. Okay, So I'm just expecting to see now to see if we're gonna visit any of these lows so I can take the continuation up. So today we almost got the runner there, but we didn't take it for maybe a couple of points. But that's alright. Just gonna keep it running. So far nothing much. These lows are still intact. Okay, I think here we took the, yeah. Okay, so I think here we took the runner. Yeah, I don't see it in the screen. So yeah, we took the runner. And I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. You can see how the market consolidation here. Nothing much came down again. Came really close here, then we took this runner. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot now, just from my archive. Okay, and now I'm gonna just write it on the journal. It will be the runner from the last trade. Yeah, from the 20th. So the runner was up for 3 days. Okay. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, we're back into the backtesting session now. So our runner was taken out, so we can run now on a clean slate. We have some lows here from the overnight in the previous session, and yeah, I'm just gonna this one. So I'm gonna transfer a little bit. Just gonna move a little bit here. Oh, okay, cool. Right, so we have the lows. And we're just expecting now to see how the market is gonna move. We haven't seen any trap yet, to be honest. We're just waiting. The market is moving sideways now. Okay, now we're getting very close to see a trap right here. You can see it right here. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit slower now to see so I can identify the trap if it happens. We tested the level, but we didn't trap it, so just waiting now. By the way, today is expected to be a big session, a long session. At least maybe probably, I don't know, 4 hours, could be more, 4 or 5 hours. We'll see how that goes, with breaks, of course, every 2 hours. So we see now the price is coming down. It hasn't trapped it yet, the lows. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna trap it at some point. Okay, we trapped it a little bit. We see we trapped it a little bit. We just did the small tap. I like the reaction I saw. Okay, we trapped the lows, the overnight lows, for just a little bit. You can see here. We trapped here just a little bit. This is weak, but I like the reaction I saw. It was fast, immediate. So I'm gonna take the trade. Maybe a loser, could be not. We'll see how that goes. We could maybe see the price coming down again. It maybe could be one of those losers, but we trade what we see. And I saw a fake breakdown there, so I'm gonna take it. Okay, so we go to order. Before we go to order, I'm gonna place some stop loss and take profit target. Right. So there's two ways. I can actually wait and price to recover the VWAP, but I saw what I like to see, and I'm gonna order straight away. So I'm gonna place the stop loss 5 points below, so that would be 39.75. Something like this. And the profit, I would set it. We have an immediate. You see here the 39.85 is a bit bearish because we have this structure here. Uh, yeah, it's this one. It's this one exactly level. On the other hand, if we want to take a trade with trade one less than R. Oh, it's 1.2 R. That's all right. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna take the 1.2 R anytime. So So buy times 1%. We have the stop loss. 75, take profit 39.94, and there we will take the 90%, and we'll keep the 10%. We're gonna keep the 10% until this highs. So since we enter in this range, probably price is gonna test at least this highs. So I'm gonna say, let me see what exact price is this one. This is let's say 4018. 4018. No, sorry, that's a mistake. Yeah, 4018. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Okay. Save in journal. Okay. Okay. So time to log in my trade now. Put some notes in. Okay. Um, okay. So I'm gonna write that market is in mid range on its way up to close the rotation move on high time frames. Currently attempting a long after a fair breakdown at the overnight low.